Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video, and in this video we are going to see how we can create a AWS account from scratch. If you are new to AWS and don't know how to create a AWS account, so this video is for you. So without any delay, let's get started. So for that, you need to come to this URL, then click on create account. And when the page is loaded, you need to provide the email address what you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use this email address, and what name I want is this, and then it will provide the verification code into your email address. So after that, you need to copy this code and type there, and you need to create the password for that. In my case, I'm gonna create. Make sure the password matches all the condition they want. So I have written the password. So you can see the password is matches, and after that we need to continue on. So as the AWS has revised their plan, and after 15 July they have removed the free tier and implemented such a new plan where you will get a 6 month free with a 200 credit. 100 you get at the time of creation of your account, and 100 credit you need to follow certain step that AWS has mentioned. So for now we are going to choose the free plan. So now we have to provide the address details. So for now, so I'm gonna enter my name, and we're gonna select the country as India, and I'm gonna provide the number. Okay, and country is India. So address I'm gonna provide. Okay, city Mumbai and state is Maharashtra, and this is the sample code. Okay, so you need to check this. I don't want to save. And there is a new payment method that AWS has been integrated. Previously, we have the credit or debit card option. Now we have the UPI auto pay option also. So whatever you feels to set up, you can set. And if you want to create a AWS account with a UPI auto pay, you can use it. And this is very simple, and this is only available in India as UPI is for India only. But in this video, we are continuing with the credit or debit card so that anyone from the world can create this AWS account watching this video. So you need to have your credit or debit card and enter your number of debit or credit card. So I'm gonna enter my debit card number. Okay. So gonna select the expiration. You need to add the CVV which is written behind your debit or credit card. And this is my name. I don't want to save. And this is my address. Yes, I have PAN. So this is my PAN number. Okay. So after that, AWS might deduct some amount. And if you don't see this kind of a page, then you need to enable your international transaction of your account. For that, you need to open your mobile banking application. Suppose my account in Union Bank, then you need to open your Union Bank mobile application, go to your card service, select your card, then click on manage your card. In that, you need to enable your e-commerce and point of sale option with a certain 1,000 or 500 limit. So after enabling those options, you will see this kind of page, and after that you need to provide the OTP. So I will enter the OTP. So after enabling your international transaction, you will receive the OTP. You need to enter the OTP here, and this will deduct 2 rupees from your account, and the 2 rupees gonna credit after 1 or 2 days. So don't worry. So you need to submit the OTP and it will verify the account. So wait for the verification. Yes. So AWS has verified our account. Now we need to select the purpose. For now, I'm gonna select as a personal use and ownership as a individual. So I already provided the PAN card. So still they want. So I'm gonna provide. So previously I have provided the PAN card number. So for now we need to type the birth date and the format is year, month and the date, and this is the my name, and we need to enter the PAN card number again. So for verification you need to provide your PAN card number and upload front page of your PAN card. So I have selected my PAN card front page photo, and you need to check this box and to identify verification. So it gonna ask you for the number, and this is the country I live, and this is the number. So it gonna send the SMS. So you need to write the captcha, then we need to submit it. So we need to verify the code they have provided into your mobile number in SMS. So they have provided the verification code on your mobile number. In my case, I have entered the verification code that I have received on SMS. So after that, we're gonna continue it. And what happened here, I didn't get the free plan for AWS. Why? Because I have already AWS account in my same debit card and PAN card. So if you are completely new to AWS account, then only you will get the initial free plan of AWS. So I hope you are creating a completely new account with completely a new PAN card and the debit card or a credit card. So in my case, I didn't get it. You can read it by pausing this video. And so I didn't get it, the AWS credit. I'm gonna confirm it. So for support from AWS, I'm selecting a free one. So my account is not in a free plan because I have already account on the same PAN card and the debit card. So they have verified properly. And if you want that 200 credit, you need to create your AWS account from completely new debit card and the PAN card which didn't have the record in your AWS. After that only you will get the 200 credit. So make sure you have completely new details. So my AWS account has been created successfully. You can see my account has been created, and this is the basic dashboard console that you're gonna see after creating your AWS account. And to navigate into your AWS account, I have created one separate video. You can watch it here. I will provide the link into description. So this is how you can create your AWS account completely from scratch within the new AWS policy. And to get the AWS credit, initial 200 credit into your free plan, you need to use a new PAN card and a new debit card which doesn't associated with your past AWS account. So I hope you understand how to create a AWS account, एंड इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, बाय।